You will love the features of this 2023 Toyota Camry. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.